Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel and welcome back to Brown and Confident. I wanted to come in real quick. This is going to be a quick video. I bought these shoes for my birthday. They're from Gucci and I did not keep them because they were a size 12 and now I'm about a 12 and a half, 13. Yes, girl, things have changed and my feet have grown. So yeah, let's get into what we got. Okay, so I got the women's rubber slide sandal. Aren't these so cute? I felt like wearing them with a skirt or dress or even some jeans is going to be fire. And then we have the women's GG sandal with crystals. Oh my god, y'all. This shoe is so gorgeous. I just knew for the spring, the summer, this was gonna be it. I was gonna wear this little dad looking sandal with everything I have in my closet, but too bad I couldn't fit them. But if you're interested, I will have the link down below. You guys have a great day. Bye.